Okay guys, are you ready? Are you ready to see some transformation? I'm about to share some insight into the place that I record my YouTube videos before I transformed it and after. Now, the first video that you're gonna see is when my son and his girlfriend have been staying in my house for about a year. And honestly, it was the best year of my life. And it took me an entire week to clean the house after they left. And that is not a negative thing. So Austin, if you see this, please don't take offense. It's just that two people living in one tiny little room in one tiny little house. And one thing I will say is what you're about to see is beautiful. Okay, my son will kill me. The only reason I'm recording this is because this room is going to be my new studio. It's gonna be my office and my studio. Right now, it is being used by my 20-year-old son and his girlfriend, and they're about to buy a house. I just wanted to see the before picture. It's got beautiful hardwood floors, freshly painted gray, whatever. This is it, guys. When I come in here next, it is going to be, there's a 3D printer, my studio. I guess it would also be important to see what I do now. So it's like my front door and basically slash dining room, living room, boom, office. And I actually run 3 businesses from here. I run a very successful real estate business for the last 20 years. I run a marketing, digital online marketing company. And I also do all my cryptocurrency here and all my video editing. So pretty much I'm kind of paperless, other than this little I love you board from my kids. So on to the studio. Okay, that was before the room got changed around, before the good side of crypto took her wand and went voila. So this is after. So I try to spend as little as possible because, you know, you could literally spend $2,500, $1,500 on a DSLR camera, and then you got the mic. So I ended up buying this little deity, and I believe it's going to be perfect as long as there is enough soundproofing in the room. No joke, this is a lot of work. Next time you see someone with good sound, you better appreciate how much work it takes. For real, this is like not gonna fit. What the frick? Aha. $69 later. I did not upgrade my camera. I am still using the HD 1080p Logitech 920 webcam because frankly, it's good enough and I'm not ready to buy a DSLR camera. And I guess you guys will tell me when I am because I've heard nothing but complaints on my YouTube channel about the sound. So I have had this for a really long time. It's a newer NEEWER, kind of like a light stand. If you guys didn't know, I used to do a show every day. And I would use this, but I would use it with, in here actually, I would use it to lighten up the guests and I would take it on location. I went mobile. It was called The Cheryl Show. I don't do that anymore. Anyway, that is to create more of like a natural lighting. And basically not like blind you or create, you know, have you ever watched a video where people like have rings in their eyes? Anyway, if you don't have any light, then you basically can't see your face and everything else can be seen. There's my little mascot. Okay guys, you ready? Here we go. So actually, most everything I had here, except those wall coverings, I had. This is a light so that I don't get drowned out. This is StreamYard. I just finished recording a Fun 7 project proposal idea. You probably saw my struggle with getting this microphone up on this desk. I ended up buying the newer NEEWER set of 2 lights. It turned out I really only need 1. And this is kind of, you know, what it looks like from here. I'm kind of very, very simple. I just bought those like cheap lights actually in that plant at like Michael's. This I ordered online. I had that actually in my closet. And when you look in the camera, this is basically the view. You will see most of my videos now done like this. And this is the view from the seat. Again, this is my up close and personal. And thank you all YouTubers who've commented. Please get a better background. And please get better sound. Hope you guys like some of my insight into my studio, my makeshift studio. It's real simple, actually. Just wanted to spruce it up and I thought I would share my before and after.
The sun is shining, I knew it would. The world's a playground, I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.